Me and Buddy are sitting out front, and he's got his little bird friends that come around. He does not care if they come around, but Lord forbid let a cat come in the yard. Where's the kitty kitty, Buddy? Buddy. Kitty kitty kitty. See that? Look at that. But watch a bird come. Look, he's on alert. He's on high alert now. Where's the kitty cat? Where's the kitty kitty? You're gonna be friends with the kitty kitty soon. I might get one. What are you gonna do then? I might get a kitty kitty before winter time. Unless you catch a bunch of more mice. Oh Lord. Diggy 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 diggy. Where's the cat at? But watch. Now I'll shut up and be quiet for a minute, and here come the birds back. And they're beautiful birds, they're babies. What are they called? Shoot. Maybe little swallows or something like that. I think that's maybe what they're called. They're tiny birds. They're everywhere. Okay, now watch this bird make a liar of me. Sometimes it comes up on the porch with him. There's my pretty Mother's Day plant. Still doing good. Okay, baby birdie, come on. I don't want to be making a thing that's like 20 minutes long, but I will. And I don't know how to edit, so that's what'll get put out. Come on, I gotta get some plants figured out here and get my stuff separated out. I'm gonna make a couple plants out of that, because that needs to come out of there, like soon too. And Lord, I'm not a gardener, so we'll find out. But my neighbor did trim that peony bush up and get some of that intruding plant out. But get all the trimming pieces, all the cement pieces around the bushes. You really can't see them now. You might be able to see that one over there all the way at the end on the left side of the plant. But get them moved to make sure there's no rocks or nothing up around the peonies and everything, and take the lawnmower to them. Oh Lord, what do you see? What? What do you see? There's nothing. Oh, that's the neighbor. Stop it. Hey. That's the new neighbors. Well, no, old neighbors. I don't know what they are. Hush, buddy. Hey, you're scaring off the bird. You're scaring off the birds. Stop, you're gonna make the baby bird not come back. Listen to him chirping too. Buddy. Oh my word. They're going to church or work or breakfast or grocery store or something. Hush. It's the son leaving. He don't know how to drive. He's wrecked right there in in the yard parking. I don't know how many times. Oh lordy. Okay, well, I guarantee as soon as I turn this off, that bird's gonna show up. But I'm not gonna keep wasting y'all's time. But when there's no traffic, it's so peaceful out. And see the one last straggling rose right there. It's the last of the Mohicans. I do believe that's gonna be the last one. Till I get my lazy ass over there and deadhead it all. I tried to do it by hand yesterday. No, not yesterday, day before. And I couldn't get them to twist off, so I said, hell with it. I'll leave them on there a couple more days. But I'm gonna have to take my gardening clippers out there and get them. Found my gloves. Well, my mama's gloves, not mine. See, all this work is of my mama and my grandma. Besides the flower bed right there. And that is a friend of mine made that. Well, her husband made it. And, I haven't done nothing to it this year. Same to myself, but I'm gonna get it all done today. It's in my plans. I needed to drink me some coffee. Oh, here comes the bird back. Let me shut up. Oh, dag nabbit, it landed on the fence and then left. Oh, come back, baby. Come back, baby, baby. Talk to your bird friends, buddy, and tell them to come back. Tell your bird friends to come back. Come on. Talk to them. Tell them, come back, babies. It's okay. Nobody will hurt you. Oh, it was so pretty. Oh, them poor begonia. It gots to get some help. It's just dropping over. Oh. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. See it? See its head? I lost it. Shit. I hope you got it. Man, I would love for you guys to get to see it good. Oh, here's another one. They're so pretty. And look at Buddy, he don't mess with them at all. I scared it talking and moving the camera around. Shit. See it. Look at him, he don't care. He's like, okay, what's you doing? Where are you going? Okay, now that you got to see that, I was hoping to get one up close. Zoom in on it. Especially if it's in the sun. They got such a beautiful gold collar to them. I think it's gold. Oh, here comes one, maybe. See him? Shit. I thought he was down there, but I don't know. I think he left, and I missed it. Some damn how. Yeah, he's gone. But see how he don't care about him. But Lord forbid a cat or a person or another dog walks by. Raccoon, possum, groundhog, he's after them all. He don't care. Except the bird. You don't mess with it. Alright, y'all. Have a happy and wonderful, blessed Sunday. Much love and many blessings.